What's up, guys? Welcome to Craig Crypto. In this quick technical analysis video today, I'm going to show you a very popular, important, major indicator tool that is kind of showing us where the bottom could be for Bitcoin in the cryptocurrency market. Where are we going to bottom out? You know, this would be a great place to start dollar cost average buying in, start buying back in at the bottom, ride it up to the top of the next future Bitcoin 4-year cycle. If you like these videos, please smash up the like button and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump into it. We're on the charts here on TradingView, the daily, and we're going to bust out the Fibonacci Retracement tool. And guys, this is where we are right now. As of today, we're going to go all the way back to the bottom of the last 4-year cycle, 2017, 2018. We hit a top right here, about $19,800 in December 2017. In December 2018, we hit a bottom of approximately $3,100. So let's take the tool from there all the way up to the high, the all-time high of this cycle, guys, approximately right there at like 69,000, 68,000 and some change. And what you can see here is we have the golden pocket at 0.61, 0.65, 61% and 65% retracement. The yellow and the green lines here, this golden pocket. And right now, we came down and we wicked below it on the daily, but we're kind of holding above the golden pocket right now. So we came down into it and wicked back up. And this tool is showing us, you know, a decent indication of where the bottom might be. 25,000, 25,900 to up to, let's see here, to about 28,000. So this might be a good buy zone to set to where, you know, it gets down in this range, you start dollar cost average buying in. Personally, I think we're going to go a little bit lower. I do not think we're going below 20,000 because that was the previous high. So I would put it at 20,000 to 24,000, somewhere in there, just slightly lower. And it's very interesting too when you take this just from the first high. We kind of had a double top this cycle. So let's take it from the very bottom up to the first top here, right about there. So we had the first top in April 2021. Some people are kind of considering this the end of the cycle, and this was just, I guess, you know, we did have a higher high, but they're considering this the end of the cycle based on how many days the cycle should be. And this Fibonacci level is putting us, let's check it out here, guys. All right, this is putting us at about 24,000. That was my number, up to about 26,000. So, you know, anywhere in here would be a good time to buy in when we get down in this area. So, I mean, this is a really good indicator tool. The Fibonacci sequence. You can look into all that if you're not familiar with it and look up what the golden pocket is for Fibonacci in trading. So we have that, guys, for you today. Just a little bit of analysis on that and maybe where we could see the price bottoming for Bitcoin, you know, somewhere around here. And personally, I think it's going to be in November to December of this year. And I'm looking to buy in around 20 to 24,000. Personally, I get into mostly altcoins. So when I say I'm going to buy in, you know, at 24,000, that just means I'm going to start buying into some Bitcoin, mostly altcoins around that time. And that's all I got for you guys on the Fibonacci retracement tool here today. I can give you a little quick analysis. There's not really any patterns forming that are solid that if you're a trader. So by the way, I was on logarithmic scale for that last part so you could see the cycles easier and compare them to each other. We're going to jump back into regular scale. And this is on the 4-hour here. And I mean, guys, there's nothing tradable here. We just had, you know, the major dump here. At least I'm going to say, I shouldn't say nothing tradable. I look for daily patterns like down to the 4-hour at the lowest to trade just solid 2-week patterns here. I mean, we kind of had a little bit of a double bottom there. I mean, this could be a bear flag forming here. And I mean, we almost had a bear flag form here too, and then we had it, you know, play out down to here when we probably almost hit the target, I guess, not quite, but we went down to about 28,000. So that's kind of what I see there, I guess, guys. Like, you could kind of say, I don't even really know if we're in like a rising channel or anything like that. No, I'm just gonna wait to trade, guys. I wouldn't be trading right now if I were you. I want to see some solid patterns, you know. I mean, maybe you could kind of say we're in a symmetrical triangle right now, something like that. You know, that's bouncing between support and resistance, and it's going to play out here by, you know, around the 17th of May into later this week. But I'm not doing any trading right now. I'm looking for some more information after the dump, because you just got to consider this like kind of like a one-time event with the Terra USD stuff, Terra, all the crazy stuff that happened. So I'm looking for patterns to emerge after this in this zone here and start to kind of trade there. But it does seem like we have bottomed out in the short term, and we could see a little pump. Let's bust out Market Cipher. It's kind of it's a pretty good indicator here that I use a decent amount. Let's get rid of some of these so we can bring out Market Cipher. All right, guys, bring out A and B. So here on the 4-hour, I mean, you can kind of see the money flows in an upwards trend here, or maybe we've bottomed out. You know, it could do something like this. There's not really, there was some blood diamonds here, guys, on, let's see, not the 12-hour, was it the 8-hour? Yeah, blood diamond on the 8-hour, that's never good. The higher the time frame, you know, the usually more accurate it is. And so I wouldn't be trading. Let's check the daily. We did have a green Dow, which means a trend reversal here on the daily. But I mean, the last one, I guess the last one did play out, but we did have a double, kind of a double bottom there. You know, double bottom there, and that one didn't really play out. So nothing's really, you know, jumping out at me here. So we're going to have to wait for some patterns to form here, guys. And I mean, what did I have pulled up here? The last Bitcoin halving was in May of 2020. So, I mean, we got a long ways to go here, guys. I would say, you know, November, December, maybe even into next year still to bottom out. And that's all I really got for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and smash up the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.